As you guys know, I am obsessed with Olive Young. But today, I'm gonna share with you guys gate-kept products that's not available at Olive Young. So Olive Young is huge in Korea and you'll be able to find it in literally like every corner. But that doesn't mean that Olive Young carries every single product that's popular in Korea. One of the products is TIRTIR Milk Skin Toner. This toner is literally how I've been getting that almost transparent glass skin that everybody absolutely loves. And it's not just right after you put on the product, but even after 30 minutes, even after 1 hour, even after 3 hours, you still have that beautiful glowy radiance. And if you do have acne prone skin like myself, I know that you can be a little bit scared for these kind of creamy type of toners, but this one is amazing for acne prone skin and even if you have concerns of fungal acne. I love the texture of this toner. It's like light and watery, but super moisturizing with no tacky finish. And I want to highly recommend that you do a DIY sheet mask like this because your skin will just drink it up and your makeup, your base makeup is gonna look so good without any cakiness. I also love applying it directly onto my skin and just patting it in like this too. Every time I do this, my skin is just happy. It's hydrated, it's silky, and it's smooth. Look at that. And after I moisturize, I love pairing it with the Tirtir Red Cushion, which is going viral lately as the #1 cushion in Japan. My skin just looks insanely good, and this DIY toner pad tip is a must because it really helps to get the cushion to apply much better to my skin.